Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Into ebuhlungu ngokuphila eSouth Africa kulezi insuku zanamhlanje ukuthi institution le efanele ivikela abantu ebizwa ngeSouth African Police Service or SSAPS iyona institution le okuyiyona evikela igebengu kunokuthi ivikela abantu. Into ebuhlungu leyo. Baningi abantu aba-report ama cases wabo angakaze anakwa kuze kube namhlanje. Baningi abantu abavula amacala babophisa umuntu washonela ngalowo muntu esebuyile. Kukhona abantu namhlanje abalahlekelwe impilo zabo ezandleni zalabantu efana ngabe kuyibona babaphephisile. Ayikho institution efanele ngabe iyithemba la kubantu ukudlula i-South African Police Services. Yona institution ebekufuneka ibe yithemba kubantu. Kodwa ke akunjalo kule South Africa yethu ekhululekileyo. Mina personally ngiprefera i-private security company kunamaphoyisa. Ukuthi nje kwesinye isikhathi usungena choice, usungekho into ongayenza. Kodwa kube kuyangami ngaba yiki into engihlanganisa ne-police station. Ngizofunda udaba la kunamaphoyisa aboshiwe awu-4. Ngicela ukufunda i-article yakhona. Ifundeka kanje. 4 officers from Moroka SAPS appeared in court this week, facing charges of defeating the ends of justice. One of the officers also faces an additional charge of culpable homicide. The case stems from an incident on the 20th of June 2025 when Constable Ntlamulo Vukeya, Kini Khuzwayo, Mbali Mahlangu, Nhlanhla Radebe and Sipho Nhleko approached a Volkswagen Polo near Mansfield Hostel at around 5 p.m. During the stop, Constable Vuyeka reportedly searched one of the vehicle's occupants and discovered an unlicensed firearm. He was shot in the groin while attempting to handcuff the individual and was later declared dead at the hospital. The 4 officers are accused of colluding to provide false statements, attempting to implicate the Polo occupants in Constable Vuyeka's death. The 3 occupants, who had spent several months in custody, were eventually released after the Director of Public Prosecutions opted to prosecute the officers instead. The matter continues in court as authorities investigate the alleged misconduct and circumstances surrounding Vukeya's death. Uma lamaphoyisa engabandakanyeki ekufeni kukazwa kwabo uVukeya, ikube isiphi isizathu esenza ukuthi bahlangane bakhuluma istatement ezingelona iqiniso. Sebethatha manje la driver laba noma labantu abebekuyile Volkswagen le VW kube yibona abazoba iscapegoat, kube sengathi udutshulwe yilabantu laba. Ngesikhathi edutshulwa yilabantu bona abathule bathini. Iphutha okungafanelanga ulenze elokuthi ukhiphe isibhamu udubule amaphoyisa ekhona. Ukube ngempela labantu beVW bona abadubulile ngaba baphili ngoba bona bebezodubula back bedubule labantu. So akuwakho umqondo. Abababophe asidlulele phambili. Amaphoyisa ngapha eWestern Cape okuthiwa ama-members we-Delft Crime Combating Unit abophe umsolwa ngomhla ka-27 kuSeptember. Abamthole ephethe inhlamvu ezi-5, 50 rounds of ammunition, i-crystal meth, i-cocaine, ama-Mandrax, amaphilisi kanye nesamba semali esingadaluliwe. Odabeni olungahlobene nalelu kodwa wona futhi ama-members we-Delft Crime Prevention Unit abophe owesifazane oneminyaka ewu-26 e-Edenhof bathola kuye ama-drugs awu-39, ama-Mandrax tablets. Uma sidlula phambili SAPS Free State, the Vala Umgodi Combat Team, working together with Proactive VOC1 team, struck another blow to the criminal underworld in Velkom when they arrested 2 foreign nationals in possession of counterfeit goods with an estimated street value of 500,000 on Friday, the 26th of September 2025. Ngazi noma niyaqaphela na ukuthi abantu okuyibona abatholakala betransport ama-drugs, okuyibona betholakala nezinto lezi ezingafuneki, yabona nje manje baphethe ugwayi ongekho semthethweni, ama-foreign nationals. Angazi noma niyaqaphela lokho na ukuthi abantu okuyibona abasuka emazweni abo bezobulala izwe lethu abantu abangama-foreign nationals. Angisho lutho kodwa ngithi angazi noma niyaqaphela nalokho. Uma sidlulela phambili bathi SAPS ngapha Western Cape, perseverance and commitment by members of Operation Shanela 2 and Public Order Police to eradicate the distribution of drugs and firearms reaped successful with the successful confiscated of drugs, a prohibited firearm and ammunition in Belha, Elsles River, Fredenberg and Mitchell's Plains. Suspects are arrested. Sasho namanje icala lomuntu otholakala nama-drugs kufanele liguquke lifane necala le-rape. Icala le-rape awuyitholi bail. Labantu laba akusizi ukuthi lokuboshwa abantu kanje kodwa ama-drugs asaqhubeka. Yingoba abantu bakhona bayakwazi ukudiza baphume. Umuntu wakhona uyafika lapha athola ibail aphume. Abantu okuyibona abanamandla okuguqula lo mthetho balapha eParliament. Ngeke baze bawuguqula umthetho. Angisho ukuthi ngoba beyingxenye yawo kodwa ngoba there is no political will. Bayasijabulela lesimo South Africa noma umphakathi wase-South Africa ophila phansi kwaso. Ngoba ngesikhathi isigwebo sisincane, ngesikhathi kukhona bengaqinisile isandla, njengoba ngenza umzekelo ukuthi icala le-rape linenkinga enkulu kabi. Usoliwe uzohlala lapha. Ngeke uthole ngisho ibail, ayikho. Kodwa la kuma-drugs uboshwe kuseni, uma uhlulekile ukudizela amaphoyisa uzophuma enkantolo. Nansi izinto efika ibebuhlungu. Amaphoyisa aseLimpopo abika ukuthi abasolwa ababili besilisa baboshiwe, omunye una-37, omunye una-50 ngokutholakala nogwayi longekho semthethweni abathi illicit cigarette ngesonto la ngomhla ka-28 kuSeptember eduze neHarmony Blocks Karongwe Boomgate. Abasolwa laba babili bazovela phambi kweNamahale Magistrate Court ngoLwesibili. Shothi sebevelile la ngomhla ka-30. ngoLwesibili la ngomhla ka-30 bebezovela enkantolo. Sidlule phambili sithatha udaba engicabanga ukuthi lokugcina bese siyayivala le video. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la ku-comment section. Ngizwa wena ukuthi ubona kanjani. Uma uyibukile ivideo yayizolo kunento ekhulunywe lo mama lo Honorable James we-Action SA ebaluleke kakhulu. Angazi noma ngizoyicaphuna na kodwa ngeke ngiyifake yonke inkulumo yakhe. Uma ngingagcina ngokuyicaphuna ngeke ngiyifake yonke. SAPS ngapha eLimpopo beyikhipha i-update ukuthi kusuka ngomhla ka-21 ukuya ngomhla ka-28 kuSeptember kuboshwe abasolwa abawu-872, kwatholakala ibhamu eziwu-9 kanye nenhlamvu ezibalelwa ku-81 zetholwa i-Operation Shanela abayenze kuma-district way-5 lapha eLimpopo. Cabanga uma ngeviki elilodwa bezokwazi ukwenza lo mehluko ongaka, funa le-Operation Shanela sengathi bangayiqhubeka. Shuthi ngenyanga kuyobe bawukwenza lukhulu uma ngeviki kunomehluko ongaka bawenzile. Ukuboshwa kwalabantu ke kukuncipha kobugebengu. Noma ke yabona ukufa komuntu angikujabuleli kodwa uma kufa isigebengu ngiya ngithi at least umphakathi usuzophumula. Ngisho njalo. Uma kufe nje isigebengu ngithi umphakathi usuzophumula ngoba ukhona umphakathi obuhlushwa lo muntu. Ngoba ijela ngazi noma liyabalekelela kodwa bakhona phela abaphuma sebephendukile ngoba wonke umuntu uyadeserve ukuphiwa i-second chance kodwa nje yane asiyeke indaba yokuboshwa kwalabantu.
Impact that drugs has on our communities, in our families, that is not enough. That does not show that we are taking this seriously. That does not show that we actually understand the magnitude and the impact that drugs has on our families. I want to know, of the SAPS members there, does anyone have a child or a family member that is on drugs? And probably this is why, Western Cape Commissioner, you have neglected. This is why you have just thought, let me just leave the people on the Cape Flats to self-destruct and destroy themselves. It cannot be that you are in a position for over 4 years and today we come and say that 96 kids on the Cape Flats has died and we just can't take it as this is what we're going to receive year in and year out, sir. If you have tried and if you have done your best, then I understand. If you can say to this house here today, I have tried, I have said that I don't have resources and nobody has listened, then we know that you can stay in that position, then we know we can go after the National Commissioner. But it cannot be the situation. It cannot be that we have a report that speaks to drug-detected crime that doesn't tell us where the dealers are, Minister, that doesn't tell us where the drug labs are, Minister, that doesn't tell us where the trafficking is taking place, Minister. That doesn't give us any of that information. It cannot be that we have a report, Minister, that speaks to so many arrests, and I can tell you that those arrests are all our children that has been arrested for half a tablet and a little bit of dagga. Where are the drug kingpins? Where is the effort? Where is the net joint operations in our communities? Why are you neglecting the Cape Flats and our communities like this? Do you not see our children are mad in our communities? They don't even know what's their names. Our children don't even look like our children. They mirror the way they look. They look like someone else. Why aren't you taking it seriously? Why is it that Mitchell's Plain Police Station ranks number 2 in an area that is hard hit by drugs and gangs, and that police station, Western Cape Police Commissioner, does not have enough vehicles? Why is it that last week a 14-year-old child that was on scene, and this is why I'm so passionate, Minister, a 14-year-old boy was shot and killed in front of his mother and father. And there was no van for over 1.5 hours. Why is it that that body has to lay there for 4 and 5 hours before we find a pathology van, and all the children on the Cape Flats thinks that murder is their portion? What are you doing about drugs in this country that's destroying us? Do you realize that drugs has a role to play when it comes to your rape? Because those children are raping their mothers. Do you know this? Do you know that drugs has an impact on the hijacking? How are you prioritizing and categorizing the drugs? Are you just going after dagga? Do you know the impact of tuk? Are you having special operations that addresses your chaos causing in our communities, such as tuk? Why aren't you categorizing the drugs? Why aren't you speeding up the reports at the labs? Why is it that a drug-related case takes over five years sometimes? Why is it that when we arrest the dealer today, he's out 2 days later? What are you doing about the many lolly lounges in Eldorado Park? What are you doing about the Pela Pos? Let me call this Pela Pos chair, where dozens of children go and get recruited into gangs. Where is your gang strategy? Why aren't you reporting on how many gangs you've dismantled? Why is it that we have members in positions, Minister? And I'm so sorry that this shouldn't come across as an attack, because General Sibiya can tell you, we work with you. I work with him. And there's a lot of success. We support you. I support you. Why don't we see Will when it comes to fighting substance? What are you doing this? Where's your safety plan now? What does it say about drugs? When are we going to see the army deployed on the Cape Flats? We all want the title, but nobody wants the responsibility. Why haven't you been to the Cape Flats, Western Cape Commissioner, to go and apologize to those families for failing them?
Honorable James, Honorable Schikkeling.
Thank you very much.
Angiyibambe le video ngicela ukuzuphawula kwakho la ku comment section. Njoba bengishilo ukuthi lo mama ushinto ezibaleke kakhulu ngesikhathi ayikhuluma wayibuza bona abaphathi. Wayibuza bona. So udaba lwama drugs kusiza ngani ukuboshwa kwabantu sebe uphethe isigarethi umbuzo ofuna sobuzo uthathaphi lo muntu wayengaboshwa la usuka khona. Ungene kanjani mangaba usuka kulezwe lakithi? Ungene kanjani? Apha ama lab lawo kuyiwona manufacture lama drugs kuboshwe lapho kuthiwa amaphoyisa kanti le kuthiwa intelligence isebenza makwenze njani? Ithola nini information enjalo? Ukuthi kuthiwa no kugazelwe ilab okukhandwa kuyama drugs kwaboshwa abantu beproduce ama drugs. Ngoba ukubopha umuntu othengisa emgwaqweni kufanele ukuthi uyadlala kusasa kuzobe kukhona omunye umuntu athelo ngesikhathi besazama ukudizela amaphoyisa ukuze kuphumelo i-distribution ayimile ibusiness yonke iphethwe ama sales uma amaphoyisa engakwazi ukuvala nje ukuthi amasale walento ingenzeki phelile nongakhanda ama drugs angeke aphumelele. Kodwa ke nathi bantu base South Africa siyazithanda izinto. Ama Nigeria abatholakala nezinto azilethe South Africa lethela thina not ingane zabo. Amaphoyisa abopha abantu abaningi ebebedila nama drugs. Uma sebefuna ukusolva lenkinga afuna abalandela abantu kuthiwa hey asisebenzisane nani. Nisitshela ukuthi masifuna ukulwa lento singayilwa kanjani. Basobatshela labantu. Kuzwe namasu ukuze inqandeke lenkinga kodwa ngoba amaphoyisa wafuna ukuyixazulula lenkinga sazoqhubeka kube nje. Ngicela ukuzukuphawula kwakho mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.